Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to another Minecraft tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you can join any Minecraft server or Hypixel server if you really want to play it using Minecraft Launcher. So first of all, have the version that is compatible with the Minecraft server that you want to join. For example, Hypixel. If you see here, Hypixel supports Minecraft servers from Minecraft versions from 1.8 until 1.19. Just for the sake of this video, I am using the 1.18 version and it will still work for me, as you can see. And for those who doesn't know how it will be showed, if it's not working for you, it will be an X on here. Of course, these other details like the ping for you, like in these servers I will have 60 ping. In this server of Hypixel I will have 143. So yeah, you could get some information from these. And also for those who has Minecraft card like mine, it won't be easy to join the servers. It's really impossible because you don't have like on original Minecraft. And for those who want to find other Minecraft servers, you can come here to this website like so, or like go to here Minecraft servers IP and check whatever Minecraft or website you'd like, and from here you can copy the address and join any Minecraft server you want. And also for those who want the Hypixel server IP, you will find it in here, as you can see, mt.hypixel.net. This is the Minecraft address, the Minecraft server address. You can just go here at server and type it in here, and just like that you will be able to add it. And for those who want to join any cracked server, that's how you can actually join them. Go like that, log in and type the password of yours, or if you are new, register and type the password of yours. So for example, log in 1 2 3 4 5 6, and just like so I am in this server. After waiting a couple seconds, it will be taking me to the spawn, and from here I can go to whatever mini games I want to play and do whatever I want in the server. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and see ya in the next tutorial. Bye bye.